9 herbs to protect eyes and repair vision. Can't you sleep at night because of your pillow? Here is adjustable sandwich pillow to support your neck, back, and spine. Enjoy a perfect sleep. You can have it too. Number 9. Ginkgo Biloba. Derived from the leaves of the ginkgo tree, Ginkgo Biloba has a long-standing history in traditional medicine for supporting cognitive function. However, it also appears to hold benefits for eye health. Ginkgo Biloba facilitates blood circulation throughout the body, including the eyes, which aids in the efficient delivery of essential nutrients and oxygen to retinal cells. Number 8. Saffron. Extracted from the Crocus sativus flower, saffron shows promise in promoting eye health. Compounds like crocin and crocetin found in saffron help shield the eyes from oxidative harm. Its ability to counteract harmful free radicals contributes to the well-being of retinal and nerve cells. Saffron also fosters healthy blood flow, ensuring the eyes receive necessary nutrients. Initial research suggests that saffron supplementation could enhance visual acuity and color perception, particularly in cases of age-related macular degeneration, AMD. Number 7. Green tea. Renowned for its antioxidant properties, green tea offers various health benefits, including for the eyes. Catechins from green tea can penetrate eye tissue, aiding in protection against damage. Notably, green tea exhibits potential in reducing intraocular pressure, which results from the accumulation of aqueous humor and can lead to optic nerve damage and glaucoma-related vision loss over time. Number 6. Fennel Seeds. Eyes are highly susceptible to allergens and infections present in the air. Even a simple cold can cause puffiness, redness, and irritation. As seasons change, different pollens can induce watery, itchy eyes for extended periods. For holistic eye relief, consider a fennel seed eye rinse. Fennel, known for its anti-inflammatory properties, can alleviate pain and sensitivity. To prepare, place 2 tablespoons of fennel seeds in a teacup and pour hot water over them. Number 5. Passionflower Extract. Extract derived from Passiflora incarnata, known by various names such as maypop, purple passionflower, true passionflower, wild apricot, and wild passion vine, is an excellent remedy for eye strain. This herb not only helps prevent irritation but also acts as a nerve relaxant. Similar to fennel seeds, you can soak cotton balls in a mixture of passionflower extract and warm water. Can't you sleep at night because of your pillow? Here is adjustable sandwich pillow to support your neck, back, and spine. Enjoy a perfect sleep. You can have it too. Number 4. Bilberry. Bilberry stands out as one of the most beneficial herbs for eyesight, commonly utilized in treating cataracts and retinal conditions. However, its benefits extend beyond eye health, with applications in managing diabetes, osteoarthritis, kidney disease, and more. Moreover, bilberry can enhance both normal and night vision, making it particularly beneficial for those struggling with low light visibility. Number 3. Turmeric. Turmeric owes its therapeutic efficacy to curcumin, a compound renowned for its ability to combat inflammation and oxidative stress, both significant contributors to eye diseases. Rooted in traditional medicine, modern research highlights curcumin's potential in addressing conditions like uveitis and diabetic retinopathy. Number 2. Rosemary. Abundant in antioxidants like rosmarinic and carnosic acids, rosemary serves as a potent shield against oxidative stress in the eyes. Its anti-inflammatory properties offer relief in eye disorders characterized by inflammation. Furthermore, the enhanced blood circulation facilitated by rosemary provides additional support for eye health. Number 1. Dandelion. Often underestimated, dandelion is rich in essential nutrients crucial for eye health, particularly vitamin A. It contains lutein and zeaxanthin, carotenoids that bolster the eyes against harmful UV rays. Dandelion serves as a natural preventive measure against common age-related eye issues such as AMD and cataracts. Why eye care matters. Maintaining proper eye care is crucial for safeguarding and enhancing healthy eyesight. By embracing certain habits, you can offer comprehensive support to your eyes, ensuring their long-term well-being. Regular eye examinations conducted by qualified professionals are indispensable for early detection of eye diseases and preventive care. These evaluations allow for thorough assessment of your vision and eye health, enabling prompt identification and management of any potential vision loss or issues. Additionally, ensuring adequate nutrition and hydration is vital for nourishing the eyes and sustaining optimal function. A well-rounded diet comprising fruits, vegetables, and omega-3 fatty acids contributes to maintaining eye health. Hydration is equally important for promoting adequate tear production and preventing dry eyes. Embracing proactive measures further bolsters eye health, including wearing sunglasses to shield your eyes from harmful UV rays during outdoor activities. Practicing good hygiene to minimize the risk of eye infections by refraining from touching your eyes with unclean hands and adhering to proper contact lens cleaning protocols. Easing eye strain caused by prolonged screen time through the 20-20-20 rule, which recommends taking breaks every 20 minutes and focusing on something at least 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Maintaining a balanced diet rich in eye-supportive nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, beta-carotene, and omega-3 fatty acids. Given the escalating use of digital devices, protecting your eyes from blue light exposure is paramount. Blue light emitted by screens can lead to eye strain and fatigue. To mitigate its effects, consider implementing these practical strategies. Adjusting screen brightness to a comfortable level. Using blue light filters or applications that reduce blue light emissions. Taking regular breaks to rest your eyes from extended screen exposure. Proactively addressing these aspects and prioritizing proper eye care significantly contribute to preserving healthy eyesight and minimizing the risk of common eye ailments. Can't you sleep at night because of your pillow? Here is adjustable sandwich pillow to support your neck, back, and spine. Enjoy a perfect sleep. You can have it too. Please give us feedback in the comment section. Kindly like, comment, share, and subscribe for more quality videos. Thanks.